How to add another iCloud account on your iPhone. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add another iCloud account on your iPhone. So first thing first, simply head over to any browser and simply search create Apple ID, and from here, from this official website, you can create an Apple ID from here. And once you come over here, just make sure you create a new Apple ID if you don't already have one. And after you do that, you simply come over to your settings, and once you come over to settings, you simply click on your name, and from here you simply need to sign out. And for the sign out as well, you need to enter your password, and once you sign out, you simply log in with the or sign in with the new account that you just created from the same menu here. And that is exactly how you can add another iPhone iCloud account on your iPhone. So hope that video was informational. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.